Only 35% of Australians believe that space is critical for life on Earth. This opportunity enables us to educate the Australian public that we have a thriving space industry in Australia, that space is critical for life on Earth, and that if they want to, there is a career for them in this country in the space industry. I'm Lisa Vitaris. I am Interim CEO at Space Industry Association of Australia and Director of IAC 2025 Sydney, which is the world's largest space event coming to Sydney later this year. A global concern that we should all be sharing with the increasing number of satellites in orbit is space debris. We all need to come together across countries to make sure that we focus on this really important problem so that it doesn't limit our access to space entirely. The success of the global space industry is really in collaboration. My view is that different countries will be collaborating more often. There is so much exciting space industry work that is going on within India, within China, Korea, New Zealand, our neighbours, and even the Pacific Island nations that we really want to take the opportunity to showcase to the rest of the world. Now there's a big look globally to how can we partner with other countries. So I'm really excited to see that partnership between countries. I think that will only continue to increase. It's really hard to know what the future of the space industry is going to look like in the next 10, 20, 30 years, given the rate of change at the moment. Space manufacturing in Australia is certainly growing, and evidently it's obvious to point out that government financial support will continue to help it grow. We have so many new technologies that are just popping up on a daily, weekly, monthly basis that it is extremely hard to predict the future. I think the really exciting thing is when there are organisations out there who are doing something completely different to space, and then they suddenly realise that their product or service actually has an application in space. So we're finding many new companies joining the space industry and having an entirely new lease on life.